the impossible dream. Engineers called it suicide. Today, it's America's greatest monument. From empty strait to steel giant, concrete rises, towers fill, the impossible takes shape.
How the Golden Gate Bridge was built. Let's go inside the suicide engineering.
1,100 degrees. Red-hot steel flies, catcher grabs, gunner strikes. 100 tons of pressure, 27,000 wires. Enough to circle Earth 3 times. Weaving a 36-inch steel rope.
100 feet down, Pacific wants destruction. Concrete fortress stands immovable, ocean tamed.
Before building up, blast down, dynamite tears seabed rock. Millions of years destroyed in seconds.
Special concrete sets underwater. Ton by ton, fender rises. Football stadium-sized ring against ocean.
Fender complete. Pacific throws everything. Structure doesn't move. Ocean conquered.
Foundation ready. Ocean tamed. Now America builds its greatest icon. Towers rise next.
Pennsylvania, 1933. Bethlehem steel roars. 80,000 tons of bridge steel born.
1600 degrees Celsius. Iron ore becomes liquid fire. Open hearth furnace roars day and night.
Liquid fire pours into molds, 20 tons each. Hiss of steam, explosion of sparks, bridge steel born.
White hot to red. Red to dark gray. 20 tons of steel solidifies. Ready for shaping.
Giant wheels crush 20 tons of steel. Flattening, shaping, ingot becomes beam. Beam becomes bridge.
Every beam exact. 1 millimeter off, bridge fails. Cutting torch roars. Sparks fly like fireworks.
International orange. Not for beauty, for survival. Lead-based paint fights saltwater erosion.
1 coat not enough. 2 coats, 3 coats. Lead-based armor bonds to steel. Salt water never touches metal.
Paint cures. Inspectors tap every inch. 1 defect means disaster. Perfection is the only option.
3,000 miles. Pennsylvania to California. Trains carry bridge bones. America builds impossible.
Steel arrives. 3,000 miles by rail, now by barge. First beam rises. Tower begins.
Honeycomb cells, brain of the bridge. Hollow voids make towers lighter, stronger, smarter engineering.
Rivet holes must align perfectly. Drift pins force steel into place. 1 miss means bridge failure. Pneumatic hammer slams. 100 ton of pressure. Rivet flattens. Joint sealed forever. Bridge grows.
Day and night, tower rises 100 feet, 300 feet, 500 feet toward the sky.
373 feet, halfway to heaven. Engineers check every angle. Perfect vertical. Continue. 746 feet, South Tower complete. American flag rises. 1 down, 1 to go. North Tower begins. Marin side. Same process, same precision. Second pillar of the Golden Gate.
North Tower races skyward. Lessons learned. Workers faster. Steel rising. Both towers reach for clouds.
2 towers, 746 feet each.
Catwalk stretches between towers. 300 feet above deadly water. First step to spinning the web.
Spinning carriage travels the catwalk. Mechanical spider weaving steel. 27,000 wires to go.
Each wire spins across the strait, 5 millimeters thick. Perfect tension. 1 by 1. The web grows.
444 wires become 1 strand. 61 strands become 1 cable. The math of strength.
500 tons of hydraulic force. Loose wires become solid steel. No air between them. Pure strength.
61 strands become 1 cable, 36 inches thick, 27,000 wires. Pure engineering.
Wrapping machine spirals wire around the cable. Protection from wind, from salt, from time itself. Concrete anchorages on both shores. Each holds 60 million pounds of cable tension. The bridge's roots. 6 million pounds of tension. Hydraulic jacks pull the cable tight. The bridge's spine stiffens.
Main cable's complete. 36 inches thick. 60 million pounds of tension. The bridge hangs.
Vertical suspender ropes woven. Each holds 50 tons. 250 pairs needed. Manufacturing begins.
Each rope tested to 75 tons. 50 tons required. Safety factor built into every strand. Vertical ropes clamped to main cable. 250 pairs, each one a lifeline for the road above. Road deck sections fabricated, each 40 tons. Steel trusses welded, ready to hang from ropes. 40-ton sections load onto barges, one by one. Transport to the strait. The road takes shape. Barges carry the road through rough currents. 40 tons of steel crossing the strait. The bridge waits. Derrick crane lifts 40 tons, 200 feet above water. Section by section, the road rises. Deck section locks to vertical ropes. Bolts tighten. 40 tons now hanging. The bridge gets its floor.
Day and night, the road grows. From both shores, section by section, the strait shrinks.
Road deck complete. 1.7 miles of steel. The bridge can now carry cars and save lives.
$130,000. The safety net weaves in a factory. 1937. Lives depend on this.
Net tested with weights. Must catch falling men. No second chances. Lives depend on every knot.
Net arrives at the bridge. Workers call it the halfway to hell net. It will save 9 Tevin men.
Dale, dale! Uno, dos, tres!
First man falls. The net catches. He walks away. 19 more will survive before the bridge opens. Scaffold breaks. 12 men fall. The net catches all 12. 19 lives saved so far. 19 men. One net. The halfway to hell net saved them all. 19 families kept whole. Engineers map fall zones below. Some areas are certain death, strong currents, sharp rocks. The net is all that saves.
Without the net, death is certain. The current pulls you under, sweeps you to sea. No chance of rescue. The net saved 19 lives. It retires as a hero. The bridge opens. The halfway to hell net goes to history.
The golden rivet, last one driven. The bridge is complete. 4 years of hell. Now, a monument.
Newspapers around the world. Impossible bridge opens. Golden Gate complete. The world stops and stares.
Engineers around the world cannot believe the impossible bridge. The suicide engineering. It actually worked.
Telegrams flood in from London, from Paris, from Tokyo. The world congratulates America. The impossible is done. Opening day, May 27th, 1937. The world watches. The impossible bridge welcomes the world. 200,000 people. The largest bridge celebration in history. America celebrates the impossible made real. The ribbon falls. The Golden Gate Bridge is open. Cars roll forward. America crosses the impossible for the first time. The first cars cross. Horns blare. Flags wave. 4 years of construction. Now, people walk the bridge. Children run. Parents cry. The impossible is now theirs.
Night falls. The bridge lights up. A beacon over the Golden Gate. The impossible now shines for all to see. Day 2. Regular traffic begins. The bridge is no longer a construction site. It is a lifeline.
Marin County transforms. Empty hills become homes. The bridge brings the city to the country. A new way of life. 5,000 cars daily in 1938. 20,000 by 1940. The bridge is a traffic magnet.
Expansion joints. The bridge is secret. It must move with the sun, with the wind, with the seasons. or it will break.
In strong winds, the bridge moves 27 feet, side to side.
1989, the Loma Prieta earthquake. The bridge sways but does not fall. The expansion joints save it again.
Today, the Golden Gate still stands. 90 years of storms, of earthquakes.
Engineering students come from around the world. The Golden Gate teaches them movement is not weakness, it is survival.
From Japan to Portugal, from Denmark to China, every orange suspension bridge owes a debt to the Golden Gate.
90 years. The bridge has seen it all. Depressions, wars, earthquakes. It still stands. It will not fall.
By the time painters reach the end, the beginning needs painting again. The bridge never stops fighting the elements.
The storm hits. 100-mile-per-hour winds. The bridge moves 27 feet. It does not break, it bends.
Model engineers add seismic retrofits, shock absorbers, base isolators. The bridge prepares for the next century.
The sun sets on the Golden Gate. 90 years of impossible engineering.
Workers, the riveters, the spinners, the painters, they built the impossible. Their hands made history.
11 men died building the Golden Gate. The net saved 19. But 11 went home in coffins. We remember them.
The net, the halfway to hell net, it saved 19 men. It hangs in a museum now, a silent hero.
1.7 miles, 746 feet, 90 years, the Golden Gate, America's impossible bridge.